Hello everyone, welcome to Nath Tech Zone. Today we are going to learn something very important for beginners. I will show you how to turn on and turn off a computer properly. If you are new to computers, this lesson will help you a lot. First, let us find the power button. Power button is the button used to start the computer. Turn on the computer. Simply press the power button once. After pressing the button, the computer will start. The screen will turn on and the operating system will begin loading. After turning on the computer, wait for it to finish starting. You will see the Windows logo or the system loading screen. When the desktop appears, the computer is ready to use. When you finish using the computer, it is important to turn it off properly. Do not just press the power button suddenly. To turn off the computer, first, click the Start button. Then click the power icon. After that, click Shut Down. After clicking Shut Down, the computer will close all programs and turn off safely. And that is how you turn on and turn off a computer properly. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share Nath Tech Zone. See you in the next computer lesson.